Hi everyone, welcome to my live video. This is Sheila Bajaj. Welcome. So we're going to talk about something we're going to talk about recent events today. Oh Lord, I'm wondering if I'm live on my Instagram or is this Shian's Instagram. I always wonder whether I've gone live on the wrong Instagram. Guys, is it my Instagram or is it someone else's? Is it Shian's? Is this Shian's Instagram or is it mine? I think it's mine. Okay, I think it's mine. Cool. Hi guys, welcome to my live video. This is Sheila Bajaj. I'm a numerologist and all of you know me. Yeah, you know what I do. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for some more people so that I can make some quick announcements today. It's mine. Thank you. I'm gonna make some announcements today on special days and special energies that are coming up. I'm going to talk about very important energies that are coming up in the next couple of days. This is like a spiritual Diwali. I'm going to explain what spiritual Diwali is, okay? Hi everyone, quickly share this on all your groups, guys. Come on, be generous. I know it's really late. Quickly share this on all your groups so that we have lots and lots of people on the live video. Come on. And I don't think I'm having a very good hair day, so I'm gonna wear my hairband. That makes my hair look good. Okay, so I'm gonna make some announcements on very important days that are coming up. Okay, so basically we are right now going through the Lion's Gate. All right, I call it the spiritual Diwali, not like apna normal Diwali, but like a spiritual Diwali. So what is a Lion's Gate is basically a huge portal, all right? Huge portal that opens up. Now our sun gives us light, okay? It's the sun for the physical world. But Sirius is actually our spiritual sun. We get our energy, our spiritual energy during this time. So during this time, the number 88, which is 8th of August, 2020, is a time that on that day, basically it's going to be like really powerful. There's going to be spiritual awakening that will happen. Your third eye may open, you're going to have visions, you're going to have crazy things that open up. I'm going to also tell people that energies during this time can actually fast forward you 6 months, like catapult or leapfrog you into your life 6 months. So you can actually kind of kickstart, jumpstart, or just jump 6 months ahead. It's like going to the future. So this is actually a very powerful time. The Lion's Gate is open. They also call Dog Days. I've actually posted about it. A lot of places on Insta are posting about it. It's a very good time to get soul star healing done. Now until 8th of August is a very good time to get soul star healing done. Also because it coincides with Saturn retrograde. Remember, Saturn retrograde, Chiron retrograde, it's like a time to purge out all the kachra from your life, from even past lifetimes. So a very good time to get soul star healing. Also a good time to get Lemurian healing till the 8th. But on the 3rd of August, which is full moon, I'm not going to suggest anyone to get Lemurian healing. Just get soul star healing, join 5th dimensional healing, and do all kinds of manifestation rituals. 3rd of August is going to be a crazy day. So tomorrow I'm going to tell you all about 3rd of August. What all are the things that you can do on 3rd of August? How are you going to make use of the energies of 3rd August? Why? Because it's coinciding with full moon. It is coinciding with Chiron retrograde. It is coinciding with Saturn retrograde and the Lion's Gate. So all of that is coinciding, and all of that is going to, these celestial events are like spiritual Diwali. So make best use of it. On the 3rd of August, get a tarot card reading. Book your slots right now. All your tarot card readers will be booked. They basically tap into the special energy, portal energies, and do readings. Even the healing on that day is so powerful. All right, but tomorrow I'm going to come live tomorrow a little earlier. Tomorrow I'm going to come live at 9:30 p.m. Okay, 9:30 p.m. because I have special announcements about 3rd of August and the 8th of August. These are very special days. So I'm going to talk about what are the things that you can do. I'm going to teach you some stuff on how you can create magic yourself and make, help you leapfrog 6 months ahead of time. I'm going to help you do that, okay? Okay, so I'm also gonna, I also came live because I wanted to tell people this is a very, very good time until September. It's a very good time to get karma release done. A lot of people, are going through emotional crap, really, really bad emotional crap. It's because of Chiron retrograde, guys. It's also because of a coinciding of Chiron and Saturn retrograde, okay? One of the healings that actually 2 techniques of healing that I realized works wonders on emotions is the 5th dimensional healing and soul star healing. Get these 2 done to help you sort of spiritually step up. Okay, today we had actually, something that I wanted to share with all of you. Today we had over 100 people in 5th dimensional healing. Just a normal day, but we had over 100 people. We did some root chakra activation and everyone had a lot of people had backache and a lot of people had suddenly pain that showed up. Yeah, also this is a very, very emotional time. How many people are going through emotional crap? Guys, share this on all your groups. Let's at least have 300-400 people live. Yes, 5th dimensional healing today was so different. I felt the release and manifestation happening similarly. Yeah, simultaneously. Yeah, it was very, very powerful today. Today's energy was buzzing. It was magnanimous actually. And also because of the group, the moment you have more than 50 people, the energy just steps up to a whole different level. Every 5 people that get added, it just goes boom, 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 like that. So that's what happens. All right. Okay. I am seniors who never earned. Will you guidance by? Okay, I'm not understanding your question, Kirti. I'm not understanding your question. Okay, so anyone who wants to get a reading done, a tarot card reading, this is a very good time to get a reading done. Until 8th of August is a jackpot time to get readings done. The energies are so powerful during this time. Even your readers are working on their energies. They get special healing. All of my readers actually get special healing and activations of all their chakras. And that's why their reading also are very, very psychic, not just clinical tarot. Okay? A lot of people ask me, why should I consult a tarot card reader in Rising Phoenix? That is my center. Okay? Why should I consult a tarot card reader who is under Sheila M. Bajaj or Rising Phoenix? It's because when you go to a standalone tarot card reader, there's no one to actually, monitor. There's no backing they have. There's no system. There's no structure. Who knows whether a tarot card reader is sort of riding on your weakness? You don't know the remedy that she is giving you or he is giving you is really going to work for you. You don't know if that person is just, having a bad day and, they're really not answerable. But at our center, we have a team of 14 tarot card readers. 14 tarot card readers. And it is a crazy level of energy because all of them have to follow protocol. All of them are given freedom, to explore their psychic self, do the reading that you wish. But when it comes to remedies, it's like, if they kind of discuss cases, like suppose there's someone who's saying, I'm stuck with this, I'm stuck with that. Sometimes they'll say, what remedy should I recommend this person? A lot of times a reader also needs someone above them to sort of check with if they're not able to handle a certain case. So we have different levels of tarot card readers. Each one of them have each other. They do discussions, they do practice sessions. They keep upgrading their knowledge, they keep learning, and they get energy work done with me. They all get special energy activation. They get 5th dimensional healing every other day, and their energies and take care of their energies so that they are phenomenal. They cannot slip. My readers cannot have a substandard reading. If one of them is ill, they do not do reading. They constantly work on their energies, and that's why I'm so proud to have such phenomenal readers, because when some of them are stuck with something, they will check with a colleague, they will check with another one. It's not like you're going to an individual standalone reader where you're lost in the dark, कि पता नहीं reader का mood ठीक नहीं था, कि was she having a bad day. So getting a reading done from one of my readers is so valuable. because they've got my backing and they've got a team backing, they've got training backing, all of that. They're basically phenomenal, guys. That's all I have to say. They're phenomenal, okay? They're really phenomenal. If they're less than phenomenal, I don't take them. So in May, you used to talk about 3 tarot card readers, now 14. Woohoo. Yes, I am so proud to announce that we now have 14 tarot card readers. And yes, in May, I used to talk about 3 tarot card readers. That's how, we've kind of grown, and all of them are amazing. Like, they are phenomenal, and they all have read cards for me. They've all read my energy. I'm the most difficult person to read for. The most difficult person to read for. So I also wanted to make one more announcement, guys. I'm going to do a free 5th dimensional healing for all the people who are COVID positive. Okay? This is my way of giving back to community, giving back to people, because, as a healer, we do stuff to contribute to people. So I haven't figured out which date I'm doing this. Okay, I'm going to do this on 4th. I'm going to do this on 4th of August. I was going to say July. Okay, I'm going to do this on 4th of August, and I'm going to do this at 10 p.m. and I'm going to do this on Instagram Live. See, I just decided like that. I had no idea when I was going to do this healing, because it's going to be one day after full moon. And so it's the phase also of the waning moon. And the waning moon is the best time to boot out all the kachra from your life. So I'm going to do this on 4th of August. What time did I say? 10 p.m. I'm going to do 4th of August, 10 p.m. I hope someone's writing this down. Debbie, if you're here, please write this down. Or Nandini, I know you guys are here, so that I remember what I've said on Facebook Live, right? So I'm going to do this only on Instagram. So please spread the word. If there's some posters there, share it. This is free 5th dimensional healing for COVID positive patients. Okay? Anyone that you know who's been COVID positive, let's spread this word and make sure that a lot of people join. Okay? So let's do this and I also want people to join a group, because I'm going to need like a list of people. I need to know people's names. So we're going to have to create some kind of a list. So please join the 5th dimensional healing group. It's on Telegram. Right now, our darling Pallavi has shared the link. Please go ahead and join it. Pallavi is also a tarot card reader on my team B, tarot.sheila.com. And I've heard some amazing stuff about Pallavi's readings. A lot of people in my team have been talking about Pallavi read cards for me. Pallavi read cards for me. Pallavi is, also a tarot card reader. Get a reading done with her if you haven't. And she is, a rock solid person in our team, because she handles 5th dimensional healing. Matlab wo tufan hai hamare group mein. So Pallavi is here, and if you want to get a reading done from Pallavi, you can get it done on tarot.sheila.com/teamb. Okay? And like I said, all of my readers are phenomenal. All of them are ek se upar ek. Pallavi has not read for me because I got so many readings done. So I was like, मैं पूछूं क्या reading में? कुछ दिखेगा ही नहीं. So Pallavi did a reading for a few people, and they sort of gave me feedback, and their feedback was really good. So guys, if you want, and I'm going to say definitely that, if you have like a career related, like if you're confused and you have a career related query about kya karun and blah, 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 go to Pallavi. Okay, I've heard like her, her guidance on like career related or work related readings are really awesome. So get a reading done from Pallavi on tarot.sheila.com/team B. Okay, the links are here, guys. You can just go. And we have a bunch of my team B readers here. There's Nandini here. Nandini's reading was really amazing. There was Radhika, whose reading was absolutely amazing. Tanvi's reading was good. And now I can't remember. I have 14 and I have only 1 MB space. I have only 1 MB memory space. मुझे ना कुछ याद ही नहीं रहता है. Okay, cool. So, and I'm gonna have to say that my most favorite healing is Soul Star healing. अगर रोना है तो Soul Star करवाओ. Soul Star healing is my absolute favorite form of healing, because you actually feel something being yanked out of you. Guys, seriously, I mean, my standards of healing is very high. Imagine I do 5th dimensional healing. but most times I can't really, I'm so involved in giving the healing that I'm not able to receive that energy as much or feel it, you know. But soul star healing does something to me. Agar rona hai, or if you want to just get knocked out, please get soul star healing. Soul star healing works at a different level, okay, and it really does something to you. And a lot of people who also have a lot of stress, have a lot of nazar, have a lot of psychic attack, please, you know, get soul star healing. Soul star healing is done by Janki and Pranjal, and they both are phenomenal. They actually take care of chakra healing and soul star healing and Lemurian healing. And now we have a new person on our team for chakra healing, and that is Debbie. Debbie also does Markaba healing one-on-one. Okay, we tried doing an experiment, but you know, guys, when it comes to energy, right? Sometimes there's energy that just goes like, you know, it's like way too much energy, you know. Sometimes it's crazy when people pull energy. It's just sometimes not you can't handle it. So Markaba healing now is going to be 1-to-1 sessions by Debbie, and Debbie also does chakra healing. So if you want to get a healing done, just join the 5D healing group, and you'll find Debbie, you'll find Pranjal, you'll find Janki. They're all admin on the group. Just ping them. Okay. Yes, Janki and Pranjal do soul star healing. La 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 la. Okay, Ruchi has a nice feedback. Ruchi says, I actually zonked off the whole afternoon after soul star healing. Absolutely. There's something that it does to your sleep, and you know, it does something to your emotions. And it also does something to some, you know, I don't know, it, whenever they do this healing, right, I feel like they are pulling out something. जैसे कोई रस्सी लेके कुछ खींच रहा है ना मेरे अंदर से. It's really crazy, guys. And you know, it's soul star healing is also very, you know, you feel like a cool breeze and you go into like this Jannat. I don't know, I love it. That's actually my favorite. All right. Krupa says, guys, please join her group. Your life will change. She has a phenomenal team, amazing type of healings, 5D, chakra healing, soul star, tarot reading, best products made by Sheila Bajaj ma'am herself, a game changer. If you want magic in your life under one roof, please join her group. Thank you so much, Krupa. Okay, so yeah, I do make magic products, and basically this is made with roots, oils and herbs. And I'm the only person in India who actually makes products with all of this. They are actually magical products because some of them, like some of our products don't have a fragrance. So this is not aromatherapy, okay? This is not like a walk in the clouds. They are hardcore. They are really, really strong formulas that are meant for certain reasons. For example, I have a formulated soap which is called BMR soap, Ultimate BMR. You know, after using BMR soap, you actually might get a body pain. You know, that's how khatarnak it is. A road opener soap opens roads. Then a crown of success. I'm actually talking about my top products. I'm not talking about like the halka fulka ones. The crown of success makes you get success in a certain meeting or wherever you're going. Bend over and commanding spray are the most amazing. Like, I feel everyone should wear it every day. And what? Good night.
Good night.
Okay, that's my little one saying goody goody night.
Goody goody.
Goody goody night. Good night.
Good night.
You say hi to everyone and go.
Hi. Bye.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm not actually doing readings today. But if I end up getting, you know, questions from people on something specific, I'll be happy to answer your questions. Okay? We don't really have a topic today. I'm just faffing around on Insta and Facebook. I am not like, I don't know, I'm just like faffing around. I'm not doing anything in particular. Black tourmaline, please let me know when it is available. We actually have black tourmaline now. It's come back. Because we buy imported crystals, everything gets stuck in customs. Abhi hamara some 10 package customs mein pada hua hai. So, yeah, Zubin just said good night. They told me to buy Boss oil. I don't see it online how to use it. Okay, Boss Fix oil is one of those oils which don't have a fragrance. It's got herbs in it, and it's supposed to make you get a result where your boss doesn't treat you like crap anymore. Suddenly he starts being nice to you. We also have a formula called Family Fix, and it makes the person who's troubling you in your family treat you nicely. How to ward off negative thoughts from mind completely. I'm gonna definitely say that negative thoughts. Okay, what kind of negative thoughts? I don't know your name, MS Chakrabarti. What is your what kind of negative thoughts? Like if you're having, I don't know, sadness or whatever. If you end up feeling emotionally really low, I'm gonna ask you to definitely try Bach flower therapy. That works wonders. But otherwise, and do a bars class. This was the first class where I had a strength of over 65 people. My bars class this time was, I had a strength of over 65, I think 67 people the class mein. And it was such a game changing class. People's heads were spinning after the class, like my highest class ever. Okay, how do you deal with people who are negative in everything? They say and do. Bhaad mein jao. That's the only way you deal with people like that. Bhaad mein jao. Don't give them importance. Like you really don't want to make people significant in your life who are so negative. Deflate that. If people are saying something to you or kind of pulling you down, don't make them significant. Don't make them so important that they have the power to do that. A lot of times we give that power to people. Okay, which product should I use for job change? For job change, please use Crown of Success. Please use the job spray. Please also use commanding and bend over spray. But bend over mainly. Okay, can you say something about Archangel Michael and something about carnelian bracelet? Okay, carnelian bracelet is used for activating your sex chakra. People who have very jammed up sexual energies, not having a great sex life, not having creative energies, or who have lots of pain during their period, or you feel you're not creating, or you feel you're just marital in life, then you need a lot of sexual energy. Sexual energy is not bad, guys. Stop judging it, okay? Sexual energy is the creative force of life. So if you feel that either your sex life really sucks, or you feel that your sexual energies are very low, creative energies are low, your creation energies are low, please get yourself a carnelian bracelet, okay? And all of my products, the crystals that I get are all imported crystals. I do not get Indian crystals because I don't like the energy that they have. They're like those dabba phones with no battery, capacity. And so wear a carnelian bracelet, it will work wonders for you, okay? Red carnelian also makes you attract money and abundance. So it activates also your sex chakra but also your root chakra. So get red carnelian, it's awesome. Okay, which product should I take for business growth and fame? The first thing for fame and business growth is Crown of Success spray. Okay, you can also get bend over spray because it makes people bend over backwards. The next thing I'm going to say for fame is color your south wall of your house red. This is so important, guys. Like, you can do everything, but if your south of your house is not activated or वहाँ पे कुछ, कुछ drain है, कुछ नाला है, कोई bathroom है, पूरा सत्यानाश हो जाएगा. So if you have bathroom problem, not potty problem, but if you have bathroom problem, get a basic feng shui analysis by Janki or Pranjal. Okay, they take care of feng shui in my center. I don't do it anymore. So if you have a bathroom in the south, you will not get fame and you will not have that growth, or your work will not go a full cycle. So please paint the south wall red or put red curtains like this. So I have this in the southwest, but it activates, the southwest sector. It exalts your energy. Also good for relationship luck. Okay, so in the south, I'm going to recommend a red curtain, a red rug, or red paint. Also the picture of the rising phoenix. My brand is the Rising Phoenix, but a picture of the Rising Phoenix and also a victory horse in the south. Alright, that really works a lot. Mohit says Shian is also an awesome reader in Team B. Get a reading done from him. So sweet, Mohit. Thank you so much. I don't really I don't talk about Shian's reading so much because he's in 11th grade. And I'm happy if he does not get readings. So I really don't talk about it. I mean, I love his readings. Absolutely. He practices a lot with me. More than a reader, I love Shian as a healer. I've been pushing him to start taking up sessions in the center. Shian is actually a way better healer than he is a reader. I'm not saying he's not a good reader, but he's actually a natural healer. You know, he's just got magic in his hands. So thank you so much, Mohit, for that. Okay. Okay, the oil, the Boss Fix oil, you just put it where your boss will go and touch it. Let it be chip chip, but he'll touch it. You'll be fine. Yeah, ask me. I got so much fried in bars class. It's life changing. Thank you, Archana. So, guys, Archana Deepak Manglorkar, who's right now on Facebook live stream, she is also my tarot card reader on Team A. Why is she and Pranjal so special? Is because they were in Team B and they leapfrogged into Team A because they were that good. You know, so Pranjal and Archana are amazing. Like they got वैसे स्कूल में डबल प्रमोशन मिलता था ना, उनको वैसे वाला डबल प्रमोशन मिला. So Archana and Pranjal both do psychic reading. They both kind of just go into like jungle में मंगल and some crazy psychic reading they do. And कुछ कुछ देखते हैं दोनों. You know, ऐसे मुझे वैसे दिखा, मुझे वैसे दिखा, बहुत मजा आता है because I can't do psychic reading for myself ना, so I am very kicked about it that they do psychic reading for me. So yeah, so get a reading done from Archana or Pranjal. What is a psychic reading? A psychic reading does not have a tool. They end up just going in. Like, see, I end up doing psychic readings, but I see visions. But I don't interpret the visions. You'll still have to go back to my tarot card reader to interpret all the stuff that I've seen. Okay, so the good part about Archana and Pranjal is they will decode the vision themselves. Okay, if they see Mumfali, they will tell you what the Mumfali means. If they see some anda, they will tell you what the anda means. Okay, they see coins, they'll tell you what the coins mean. So that's what it is. Please tell me I can't sleep at night. My husband is really behaving weird. उसको balcony से फेंक दो. वो इतना तंग कर रहा है तो balcony से फेंक दो. Okay, so Debbie is asking me to talk about 3rd August, but Debbie, I thought I'm going to talk about it tomorrow since there are very few people here online. Guys, 3rd of August is a very special day. Okay, very, very jackpot, awesome, wow, yummy special day. So the only thing I'm going to tell you right now, small spoiler I'm going to give you right now, only because Debbie says it and she's so special. So I'm going to tell you is that 5th dimensional healing on that day, like I said, is going to be like dhamaka. I said during this Lion's Gate and full moon is like a double dhamaka day. So make sure that you enroll for the 5D healing sessions, okay? And the earlier that you enroll, the earlier that you are on the list, the more amount of time you get fried in that energy, okay? So enroll quickly. Just go to my 5D healing page and register as soon as possible. And my cutie little pie has come here. My Shian has come here. Come, Shian. Come and sit here. Come. Bars class was awesome. What is that? It's okay, come. He's put dragon blood special formula on his face, you know. So basically dragon blood oil is a formula also for pimples. So if you have like a wound or a pimple, it will just get zapped within one night. So Shian has actually put that. There are red dots on his face. Like he's like my brand ambassador for dragon blood oil. All my friends' children have like one sheher on their face, you know, like one city on their face. But Shian has clear skin thanks to dragon blood oil. My God, I also swear by it. Bars class was awesome. After the bars class, next day I was surrounded with positive energy and aura. Thank you so much, darling. For your business growth, Harsha, you can use Crown of Success, Bend Over. There's a client attraction powder, which is awesome. Okay. Archangel Michael is an angel for helping you get protection and cutting cords. And Varun is online. Guys, Varun is also my tarot card reader on Team B, tarot.sheila.com, Team B/Team B. And he also runs bars in our center, and he did a fabulous job on the bars class day. He was, you know, also in charge of the bar swaps that were happening, and he was absolutely amazing. So Varun, you can also get a reading done with Varun. He's actually famous amongst the ladies. Women actually prefer to get a reading done from him. Hint, hint, hint. Hint, hint. Also Varun is single. And I'm declaring this on Facebook Live. Guys, Varun is single. He's a very, very sweet guy. Okay. So I am personally doing matchmaking for all my tarot card readers. Okay. So Varun is single. All the ladies, there's a single man out there who's really sweet. Very, very sweet guy. so you can hit on him. I'm giving you permission to hit on him, okay? Varun वहाँ से चप्पल मारने वाला है. He's going to say, "Ma'am, what did you do?" मुझे बहुत मजा आता है करके, बहुत मजा आता है. Okay. Getting a healing done on these special days is a must. It is really awesome. This would be my 6th session and I can say it has made a lot of difference. Thank you, Mohit. You know, coming from people who've experienced it means so much to me, because Mohit has got a healing done and Mohit says that it makes a lot of difference. Thank you so much. Okay, a lot of people have been asking me about Varma Lakshmi. Unnata says, "Ma'am, anything for this? My mom is so negative these days. Ma'am, she's become so kitch and always cursing and using bad things to me. Please try and do the bay leaf ritual, Unnata. Also, I'm going to definitely suggest that you try and do a black candle service for her kitch in the temple. It has happened that so many people had kitch people. Do a black candle for her negative emotions and you'll notice wonders at the Temple of Miracles. So I'm going to do a small, yes, bigger the group in 5D healing, the energy gets better, it becomes awesome. Yes, I agree with that, Pranjal. Okay. Ma'am, fighting domestic violence case, super miserable, how to channelize. I have 2 boys, worried for my career. Renu, try to stay away from fighting a case in the court of law in India. The law in India is bakwas. Bakwas, okay? So even if you have proof, you have this, you have that, it is no use. Okay, I'm telling you from personal experience. You know, the legal system in India is really bakwas. Okay, I went through a really bad, episode in my life, and thankfully that's over and done with. The legal system is very slow and there's no justice, and it'll just drag for like 5 years. Please focus on your life and do not try to get justice from the legal system. Chhod do usko. It just takes forever. Varun says Shian is amazing. Thank you. Shian is so amazing in reading. You won't even feel that he's in the 11th standard. Yeah, he's going to be 17 this year, but he's very wise. We use Indian crystals and gems for HIV positive patients. I don't know. I don't like Indian crystals. I think they're bakwas. 5D healing is superb. Hello, Shian. Shian, come here. Come here. Okay, I'm going to take a few more questions. Varun and Raghavendra did awesome. Yes, they did the practical. What happened? It's okay, come. It's okay, come. You want this back?
No.
It's okay. See, Shian has a new hairstyle, guys. Hi, see, come. Shian has a new hairstyle. I'm going to move the camera here a little bit. Shian has a new hairstyle.
Yeah, now
Sure?
I can do.
Yeah, this is really...
See?
Yeah, you can see it. It's a nice ponytail.
Yes. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Alright.
School started, but they're... I said school started, but it's kind of crazy. Oh my god. Okay, Facebook just... the tripod just gave way. Okay, sorry guys. Tripod retrograde. Okay, sorry. ऐसे कुछ फुक कैसे करके ऐसे गिर गया. Like the phone got so excited, na? Phone पागल हो गया. बोला, oh my god. Okay. Psychic reading is not a part of tarot card reading. How to stop people from interfering in your life? Tell them not to interfere. A lot of times we feel that we are obligated to be nice, but when someone's interfering, you got to go and ask them, I'm sorry, but I'm not asked for your intervention. Like, a lot of times people will treat you like kachra because you won't say anything. When you begin to say something and when you start to call them out for being rubbishers and rubbishies and, stupid people and all the assholes for being assholes, then they won't come and trouble you. It's only because we have this need for feeling good, this need for looking nice, and this need for being the good guy. Please do not try to be the good guy. You'll end up feeling like a juta. You'll end up feeling like a doormat. Don't allow yourself to be treated badly by anyone. Whether it's interference, whether someone's telling you how to live your life, whatever it is. A lot of times people will only dish out crap to you because you take it. So try to push them off the cliff and tell them भाड़ में जाओ. मुझे नहीं सुनना. Assert yourself, guys. I mean, I've not had like the most, amazing support or most be like people coming and cheering me and putting one garland around me and saying, अरे बेटा तुम जो कर रहे हो ना बहुत अच्छा है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता, ठीक है? People are not going to cheer you for doing awesome stuff. People are going to want you to be pathetic. Okay? Our crystal therapy in UN is accepted. Yes, Indian crystals, ma'am. I'm not sure, Kirti, but the crystals from India have a very low energy because of the amount of agriculture in our population. The energy from our planet has actually come out. So I don't know what, and maybe, in UN it's different or whatever, but I'm an energy healer and I talk about energy. I speak the language of energy. Indian crystals are very cheap, but I don't really like their energy. When we cleanse and energize them, we find that it is really waste to put so much of time and energy into crystals. Okay. Ruchi Mandle says, have you lost weight? Thank you. I love you. Thank you. You just made my day. Now I don't feel like talking about anything else. Like someone just asking me, have you lost weight? Like suddenly I have so much love for you and I'm feeling like, कहाँ गया इसका comments? Insta का comments. Oh Lord, I lost it. Something happened to my Insta comments. Can you fix this? Okay, can you please do something? I know Facebook went crazy, but Insta something happened. I don't know. See, turn off.
No, don't
turn off. But I can't see comments. Where did it go? Like,
Oh, yes.
no, it's not showing. Is it ended?
No,
Yeah.
no, there are people. Well,
Yeah, I know, but it looks like it's ended. No. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, Ruchi. I love you so much. Okay, guys. Anyone who feels that your question wasn't addressed, there's a group here. Janki has posted it. Please, Okay, I'm just going to end Instagram now. I just feel like I'm going to end Instagram.
okay.
Okay, I can't figure out what's happening with Instagram. Sorry, guys. Something happened to Instagram. उसका दिमाग खराब हो गया. Instagram का दिमाग खराब हो गया. Okay. Yeah. So if your questions weren't addressed, you can join this group. Okay. Okay, I've actually stopped doing Surya Namaskar because someone told me don't do every day. So today I did a 100-minute walk, like a brisk walk for 100 minutes. Yay! I felt so good. I felt so accomplished. Like doing a 100-minute walk is really, really something. I'm going to live again on Instagram. I'm going to do that silly hi. Hi guys, I'm back. And there's no one when I do that hi. There's no one when I do that stupid hi. Hi guys. Okay. Okay, ma'am, what to do on your birthday? It's my birthday today. Sarika, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I'm going to definitely say that it's good idea to light a candle in the Temple of Miracles on your birthday and ask for special grace and blessings from Papa Elegua. Very good idea to do that. Also very good day to meditate. Okay, so go on my YouTube and meditate on your birthday. Okay, all the people who are wondering what should you do on your birthday. Okay, your birthday is a very, very special day. You get special energies. This starts hurting after a while. Okay, on your birthday, you get special energies. So you should meditate on that day. You should avail healing on that day. You should do a manifestation on that day. Do the full bay leaf wala manifestation thing. Get something done on that day, because that day is a very, very powerful day for good stuff, because you have actually special energies on that day. So make sure that you use your birthday to your advantage. At least do meditation, if not anything else. Okay? And light a candle at Temple of Miracles. Okay, any remedies for kitchen in the south? Darling, you're gonna have to get at least a basic feng shui consult done to get that done, because we also want to see what is in the other sectors. Okay, so please get a basic feng shui consult done. Janki and Pranjal do it. You can go to tarot.sheila.com and get a basic feng shui consult for this. And anyone who's having like a bathroom in these weird sectors, most people end up telling me, अरे मेरा पैसा ड्रेन हो रहा है, अरे मेरा पैसा ड्रेन हो रहा है, पैसा ड्रेन हो रहा है, पैसा ड्रेन हो रहा है. आपके साउथ ईस्ट में कुछ ड्रेन है तो पैसा वेस्ट होगा, पैसा ड्रेन होगा, जरूर होगा. इवन इफ योर हाउस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू वास्तु, इफ योर kitchen is in southeast, or there's a drain or a washing machine or some kind of a बर्तन धोने वाला something in southeast, please remember guys, southeast, पैसा ड्रेन होगा. So you need to get a basic feng shui consult done at least to get that fixed. You know, if you have 1, 2, 3 concerns, a basic feng shui is good. If you want to get your whole house done, get an advanced thing done. Okay? We're probably the most economical feng shui practitioners in the whole country. You will not find someone who do such a detailed job for, you know, being so priced less, because we want to promote feng shui because it is really a game changer. I don't have any plan for a candle magic class yet. Abhi nahi. Mohit, you should have attended the... I don't know if you attended the bars class or not. मुझे याद नहीं है क्योंकि तुमने कुछ बोला नहीं उस क्लास में. But you should have attended the bars class. The bars class is really a game changer. Okay, Varma Lakshmi. Thank you, Debbie, for reminding me with my stupid 1 MB memory. Varma Lakshmi is a very powerful day. I tell people who have any kind of, you know, if you have any kind of thing connected to Lakshmi, if you have a Shri Yantra, or if you have a Parad Shri Yantra, which is a Mercury Shri Yantra, or you have Gomti Chakra, please make sure you do puja for that and wear it after that. Okay, you can light a ghee lamp for Lakshmi. You can light 7 lamps of ghee for Lakshmi. You can also do an offering of clove and elaichi. Okay, clove, dhanya and elaichi. Dhanya is the dhanya seeds. Okay, not kothmiri. वो कुछ नहीं करने वाली. And then also almonds. Okay, so you can offer that to her. But the good part about Goddess Lakshmi, you can offer it to her, and after that you can eat it yourself. We can't do that with Papa Elegua. Once we give it to him, we can't take it back. Okay, so you know, you can do that. You can offer her clove, badam, elaichi, and also what is that called? Saffron. Okay, you can, and coriander seeds. You can offer her that. You can just keep a little of everything, and uske baad you can take it back. Once it's blessed, you can take it back and you can mix it back in your groceries, or you can just eat it. I don't know how you're going to eat the elaichi though. Burn 7 ghee lamps in front of Lakshmi, and you will notice the energy of Lakshmi will be very, very positive, very powerful on that day. Okay, so it is actually doing a special ritual to welcome Lakshmi in your life. I also tell people, light a ghee lamp outside your house. Okay, I also recommend people to do that every Friday. It's really good to do that every Friday. Okay, and if you don't have any way to do a Lakshmi puja or anything, remember, any supreme being, okay, any supreme being that you have what do you say, faith in, you can always light a green candle in the Temple of Miracles. The Temple of Miracles is an all faith temple. All faith temple. So you can light a candle for your ancestors there. You can light a candle for, on basis of Varma Lakshmi there, because Papa Elegua is not supreme God. He is next level. He's like a deity. Okay. So Orishas don't have any problem when you give reverence to Lakshmi. So you can light a green candle on Varma Lakshmi day. Alright, green candle on Varma Lakshmi day at the Temple of Miracles. Okay, so awesome guys, I think I'm done for today. Make sure you join the fifth dimensional healing on 3rd of August. And anyone who's COVID positive, please send them this information that on 4th at 10 p.m. I'm going to be doing a free fifth dimensional healing for people, whichever part of the world they are in. I'm going to do a free healing for people who are patients of COVID-19. Okay, so spread this word. Thank you guys for watching, and all of you people who are here, make sure you like this page, like this page, like this page, like this page. Facebook wala like. Just go back to the page and make sure you hit like, otherwise you don't get notified when I go live. Basically, Facebook doesn't recognize you as special on my page. So if you want to be special, and if you want to be a sharer and a top fan, you want to get priority and whatnot, you have to actually at least like the page. Make sure you like the page, not Instagram, okay? Instagram, ignore. I'm only talking about Facebook. So go back and like the page. All you guys already signed up for 5D on 3rd just now. Awesome, Ruchi. And make sure you guys, you like the page. Facebook.com/Sheila Bajaj M. Okay, go back to this page and make sure that you have liked the page and not just followed it. Okay, bye everyone. Good night. And all of you who want to go to my website, sheila.com, and if you want a reading, tarot.sheila.com or tarot.sheila.com/team B. Whether it's tarot, whether it's Bakfla, whether it is Feng Shui or Soul Star healing, any healing that you want to do. So you can just join the 5D healing group and you'll find everyone there. Alright? Bye everyone. Good night. And I'm going to come live tomorrow, okay? I forgot the time. I think 9:30. 9:30 is when I think I said I'll come live. 9:30. Okay guys, bye. Good night. Make sure you like the page. Good night.